The File Compare function enables quick comparison of two drawings. It can highlight the differences and save the comparison results. Enter FCMP in the command line to open the dialog box of Select the drawing to compare. Specify the drawing file you want to compare with the current drawing. Each change is surrounded by a revision cloud in different colors to highlight the differences. The green color represents changes in the datum file, while the red color represents changes in the reference file. You can hide the differences. Objects only in the reference drawing will be hidden. Objects only in the current drawing will be displayed in the color of the other normal objects. Revision clouds around hidden objects will automatically disappear. This feature allows you to pay more attention to certain changes and avoid being affected by other information. Users can insert different objects into the current drawing from the reference drawing. This makes it easy to restore objects that are mistakenly deleted in the current drawing. You can generate snapshot files to save drawing comparison results. In addition to general drawing comparison, ZWCAD 2024 also supports XREF comparison. The XREF comparison function can be used to directly view the modifications of the external drawing on the original drawing, so you don't need to open additional drawings for comparison. Interested in the enhanced file compare function? Download ZWCAD 2024 to try it now.